Welcome to Bensound. During this quick video, I'm going to show you how to avoid copyright claims on YouTube. YouTube uses a recognition software that scans the music in your video to see if you are using protected material. Now, if it detects protected material in your video, it issues a claim on it. Now, you can avoid copyright claims by using our music as long as you follow the steps in this video. Now, a side note before we get started, if you have a paid plan on Bensound, then all you have to do is add your YouTube channel ID to your account and you're all set. Your channel is whitelisted. Now, for free accounts, previously you'll remember that all you have to do was mention Bensound in your video description. Well, things have slightly changed. In addition to mentioning Bensound, you also need to include a license code in your video description. Now, this licensing code is recognized by YouTube and keeps your video clear from copyright. So, without further ado, let me show you exactly how to find your license code and add it to your YouTube videos. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is head over here to Bensound and I'm going to browse the free music for videos. And once we find the music that we like, all we're going to do is click on the free download button here. And then that's going to open up this pop-up with a free license with attribution. So we're going to click this green button that says download music and get attribution text. And once I have that downloaded, inside of this new pop-up window, we have our attribution text. So all I have to do is click this little copy button here, and that's going to copy all of that text for me. And now all I have to do is head over to YouTube inside of the video that we are using this music. And inside of the description of that video, we are going to simply just paste in that attribution text just like that, and then click on save. And that's all we have to do. And that's it. Now, you do need to generate a code for each video. And speaking of videos, how about your old videos? Well, the great news is the new system only applies to new videos. You don't need to change anything in your old videos that were published before March 30th, 2023. And that's all there is to it. Thanks again for using Bensound, and we'll see you in the next video.